It's not easy to capture a moment that vanishes into thin air. Every day, nearly 40,000 thunderstorms rain down on Earth, but chasing down the perfect storm to photograph is quite a challenge. So today's the first day out in search of capturing the perfect storm shot, and we have started off in Dallas, Texas. Now we're all the way up in South Dakota. The storms aren't always where you are, so you have to go where they are. Just checking the models to make sure we're making the right decision on where we are going to be heading today. The models, they help give you a little bit of guidance, but it's not a live by, die by kind of thing. We're going to stay westbound for 11 miles on this road. The storm's coming right towards us. This interaction that's going to happen here between the storms, this could either help amplify the storm we're on or kill it. So we're going to play a little waiting game and see how this plays out. So I think we should go west and then north on this road here to bring us a little bit closer. We got another beautiful supercell just north of Omaha. So we've got this beautiful supercell. The whole thing is rotating. This is why we chase. This is what we shoot for. This is the shot that we have driven so many thousands of miles for. We're risking it for the biscuit. We are blasting north. We left our storm. All right, that storm just went tornado warning. Please don't tell me it's an hour away. And of course, we're never gonna get there. Oh man, can't catch a break today. Woo! Oh, look at that. We got a beautiful shelf cloud. That is awesome. Let's get ahead of it and start rocking and rolling. You guys look to the left, that lowering that's coming down in the middle there, that is something to watch. Oh, look at the lightning. Oh, we don't have enough time. We're gonna get bored. No matter how many times you see it, it never gets old.